Hello everyone. In this video I will try to show you how to use distance relay in PSCAD environment. So in my previous video I have already shown how to use circuit breaker and how to use this type of block. So in this video too I will try to make it so simple. So to get the impedance I need voltage and current parameter. So from this multimeter I get voltage and current signal, and using this block I will get uh, voltage magnitude, and this is online frequency scanner. So and using this we will get voltage magnitude, and here is phase, and here is current magnitude and current angle. And using this sequence filter we will get positive, negative and zero sequence component. And then using this component we will get uh, resistance and reactance. So here is using this block name is line to ground impedance block. So there is trip polygon, the protection system I am using. So you may get this from this protection and trip polygon. So to protect my system, what I will do, so there are many books, they suggest different ways, and there are many manuals. So first let's see. Here I have a resistance 9.80 e to the power minus 5, and reactance 4.29 e to the power minus 4 and length of my transmission line is 102 kilometer. So I will use to find the coordination. So instead of 6 point I will use 4 points, because I found a simple characteristics. So I use this one, and I will show just for only one, and maybe if you need you may do it by yourself. I will upload the file in my GitHub channel. So as I told you that my line is 102 kilometer, and uh, re resistance is 9.80 e to the power minus 5. So I get 10 ohm, and X is 3.8 ohm. So what it is suggested there, alpha would be 115 to 125, and alpha 2 is minus 15 to minus 25. It is the angle of alpha 1. So it is the angle of alpha 1, and this is the angle of alpha 2. Here the angle I used, it is uh, minus 20 minus 15. So and from here to here it is 10 meter 10 ohm, and from here to here it is 43.8. And look, extend the line and let me show you the angle. Sorry. Look, 150. So we get our polygon, and now we need coordination. So how we can get coordination? We can use this ID point. So this one is easy, 0 0. Look, this one is 10 minus 2.6795. So for the first one is 0 0, 10 minus 2.6795. Third one is 10 23.8. Sorry, 43.8. Fourth one, let me check what would be the fourth one. Look, this one is 10 43.8. This one is minus 20 4243, minus 20 4243, minus 20.4243, and this one is also 43.8. Okay. And to do this, I also use this circle to show you if and we will draw a circle, and then if the fault in the inside the circle, you will see that our relay will trip. So just it is no, just a simple circle, but it is I'm not saying that this circle is exactly showing the zone, just mm, around the zone. So, and also here ID point, look, this one is minus 5 minus 5121. So this one, this one minus 5.121, 1221, 1221, and 20.5603, 20.5603, 20.5603. And the radius of the circle is around 28. So let's run our system. Here I will just put my rotary space in the first position. First position is is there is no fault. So let's run our system. So as there is no fault, our circuit breaker did not trip. And we can see so there is no tripping signal. Now I will set my fault in the position 5, and let's run it again. Now there is fault, and our relay detect the fault, and our circuit breaker trip, and here is the tripping signal. And let's go to the our diagram. Look, inside, look, is the vector diagram. So look, now as there is fault and it is inside this is the this cross inside this circle. So let's see without fault again. Okay. So I tried to show you in a simple way because otherwise it will be so lengthy to explain. I'll upload this file in my GitHub channel, so you may download it from there. Look, now it did not cross inside the circle. So actually I use this block from this PSCAD example file. Just instead of the circle more relay, I used a polygon relay to show you how can you use this PSCAD software to implement distance relay. So that's for all today, and if you have any question you may write. Thank you.